What's going on YouTube? So in this video I'm going to show you the PRO-EXL8s. These are the 4-ohm version. I got 2 of them, and I'm going to do a little size comparison with the PRO-EXL84s. I have 8 of these. I have them playing in my car already, and that gets really loud. I just need to wire up my horns and my tweeters. I'm just waiting on the right here, the power wire connectors, the forks, and also the ring terminals. And I'll give you a demo once I'm done with all of that. Probably next week, next Monday, they'll arrive from Amazon. And yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing video on this. I haven't opened it yet. And yeah, let's get started. So I cut her open already, but here we have the packaging foam. And she's much heavier than the PRO-EXL8s. These are PRO-EXL84s. 4-ohm. And that's one of them. More packaging stuff in. And here we have the other one. Right there. And we got another DS18 lanyard. And that's it. So we have them out already. Right there. DS18 EXL84s. And we're gonna go over the specs in comparison with the PRO-EXL8 after we're done taking a look at these two. So we got the installation drawing, as always, the owner's manual, and we also got the DS18 sticker. And I'm gonna get back at you whenever I take both of these out. So we got them out already, as you can see right there. And let me just turn on this flashlight. There you go. And you can see that nice red, candy apple red right there, looking good. Right there also, same as here. You got that nice paint right there, what the DS18 does. And we're gonna do a comparison between these two, the PRO-EXL8s and the EXL. And then we're gonna take a look at the specs of each. And right here, as you can see, it's PRO-EXL. And the good thing about the EXL is that you can still see the paint, while the Pro can't. As you can see, it's silver. Over here, the rim's red. Right there. And another good thing about this EXL is that it has the push terminals. So you can put, it's probably I believe a 14 gauge. You can fit a 14 gauge there. And over here we just got the standard speaker connectors. You had to put in the female connectors right there. And yeah, it's pretty nice, man. I like the speaker right here. I'm probably gonna put these on my Tahoe doors. I don't know yet. It's probably gonna be too heavy. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna put these on my dad's truck. It's a F100 1968 that we're building. And I'll give him these with the FRX1K, and he should be fine. He don't want it really too loud, but we are gonna add on some subs and horns and tweeters and all of that. So you gotta stay tuned for that. And yeah, here we have it. It has the breathing, so it can breathe better. There's the top view, bottom view, I mean. 4-ohm, 800 watt max, 400 RMS. Looking good. It's good. You can see the inside. No, you can't, but yeah, man. And let's take a look at the box. So the PRO-EXL8, it's a 30-ounce ferrite magnet, while the EXL has a right here 49-ounce. So yeah, it's gonna add a little bit more weight to it. It's a 1.5 high temperature voice coil, while this one it's a 2-inch voice coil. The sensitivity is 98.2, and over here it's a 97. Still 100 hertz to 13 kilohertz. over here, and it just drops down to 11.3. That should be fine. 275 watts RMS, 400 watts of power on the EXLs. And yeah, that's the major differences right there. And I really like this much more. Don't get it twisted, man. These are loud. I have 8 of them playing in my car right now, and they get really loud. And I can only imagine these. I'm gonna do a speaker sound comparison between these two. I just gotta get the FRX1K hooked up, since it's a 400 watts at 4 ohms, and these are 4 ohm right here, 400 watts. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for that video also. Hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.